Jim Cramer answers your Twitter questions on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Hello there, Jim.
How are you?
Doing well, and our first question is on PayPal. Buy it or pass?
Okay, we've been saying that we could use north of $1.40. I'm now thinking $1.50 on earnings. Once they separate, you got to give this maybe a 35 multiple. Let's say minimum of $50 is my target now. Bumping, that's a bump.
And a question about eBay. Now that it's on its own, what are the chances of a takeover or merger by a company like Amazon or Alibaba?
Well, look, it's always possible. It's not why you buy something. I don't really care for the general merchandise stock eBay. I do think that PayPal is going to rival Visa and Mastercard as a place for the great growth managers to go.
Jim, what about Tesla? Should it spin off its power division as an IPO?
Well, I don't know. Sun Edison with this merger today shows you how powerful that group is. Tesla is a cult stock. I think people want to buy Tesla. It doesn't matter what they say. Anton Wallman has done some great stuff for the street about what's the matter with Tesla, but people don't care.
Have I missed the Facebook rally? Jump in at these levels or wait for a pullback?
You know, I'm just going to say no. I'm not going to let you jump in at these levels because if the stock goes down, you'll make a fool of me, and I'm not going to go there. We owned this stock since the mid-20s. You know, you're on your own.
How about Under Armour? What's the trade before earnings?
Okay, Under Armour's been going down after earnings. That's been a pattern. I think that Under Armour is one of those stocks that runs in earnings, and then people sell it off. So I think you buy half ahead, and then you buy half after when they sell it off.
And finally, Jim, on Starbucks, take profits or stay the course because the future continues to be bright?
Okay, if you take a longer-term view on Starbucks, it's absolutely fantastic. The stock has run up day after day after day going into the quarter. I think it's going to be a great quarter because coffee's going down in price, and the price actually that Starbucks charges is going up. But more importantly, they've done very well in China. But the thing that I worry about is, again, kind of like what I'm talking about with Apple. When these stocks run up, there's always someone who says take profits, and that's when you have to buy.
All right, Jim, thanks
Thank
as
you.
always. Remember, send your questions via Twitter to Jim using #CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.